Good morning, my friends. Welcome to forexwithks. So before we start the show, don't forget to do me a favor here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay? So let's check out the introduction before we dive into the news and the chart.
Disclaimer. Be advised that I am not a professional financial consultant or advisor. I am sharing this information for education purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, prices, or other information contained on this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, money, asset or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video.
Okay, let's check out the news. See what's going on today. It's Tuesday, 18th of January 2021. So just today we got a Boj Outlook Report. So you have to, if you're trading the JPY, okay, maybe you have to take note of this activity around here, activity around in the morning, around 10:45 a.m. So after that, we have this economic sentiment for Euro and Empire State Manufacturing Index. This is not too big event. It's not considered big events for the currency. Most likely will not incur any direction change kind of things. So Wednesday we got this CPI. Okay, this one maybe you need to take note. A better CPI number, this yearly CPI number will indicate a stronger currency. Okay, so this one you watch out for this pound, but it's not always the case. Remember, it's not always the case. Okay, because market is manipulated. So you just have to watch out if there's something to happen on pound, right? It will happen most probably before or during this moment. And tomorrow in the evening, we got CAD, okay, CPI. So tomorrow, also have to watch out for CAD. So anything that is bound to happen, most likely will happen before or after this, okay? So let's check out the chart. So you got Euro USD. Euro USD, there's a pin power here, but we opt not to sell this because the price is now currently on an uptrend. So we are looking to buy this, okay? So price is coming back to our support area here, 1.13753. This is possible buy opportunity over here because price has been making higher high, right? Higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high, right? Higher high. Okay, so now price has changed from a downtrend to an uptrend. So this is, we are planning to buy this as long as the price is above this area. Okay, you see I have two dotted line here. This is my buyer's line. Buyer's lines means if the price is above, we want to buy. If the price is below, we want to sell. Okay, so this one we are planning to buy this. So for Euro USD, look at Pound USD. Pound USD, Pound is excellent, very strong. Okay, it's on a tear now. Look at this. Okay, these are my buyer's line, right? The price actually burst through the buyer's line without any retracement. So now, okay, we have a pin bar here for aggressive trader. Possible you can sell this towards a 1.36140, but we are looking to buy this. Our weekly bias also is buy. Okay, so once the price comes back to this area 1.36140, a rebound in this area possible. We got a buy trade, or the price come down to 1.35022. There's a possible buy trade over here. Okay, so look for the bullish price action. Look for your whichever strategy you're using, 4 hours, MACD cross, whichever, right? So if you have a bullish momentum coming up from this area, these two area, probably there is a opportunity to buy. USD CHF, the trade idea for USD CHF is slightly bearish. Okay, after the price broke through this support trend line, right? We are slightly bearish on this, but the momentum, this one is not, I'm not too keen to trade this. Why I'm not too keen to trade this? There are better pair to trade because this is largely, right, the price is in a range. The price is in the range, so I don't feel there is a lot of momentum to trade for this USD CHF. So USD Swiss franc. So this one I will leave it first. USD Cad. Okay, USD Cad. We talk about this a possible buying opportunity over here. A setup over here. Cad has been very favorable to us. Remember, we got one winner here. We got two winner here. Two buy winners here. We got one loss here. Okay, so we are still doing well. Okay, 2-to-1 win to loss ratio. And every win I take 2, and every loss I take 1. Okay, so we are well ahead. Okay, according to winning and losses ratio. So we got this pin bar over here. I said there's a possible buy trade here, but this is counter trend, so there is not very not a perfect trade. We can't call this a perfect trade because this is counter trend, but there's a possible trade. But the price now seems to lost a lot of momentum after two pin bar push up, right? The momentum came down. So this one probably, okay, you might want to close the trade if the price, you might want to bring it to break even, because all the other USD pair has already reached target, right? So this one is not moving, so this one maybe you want to put it to break even. Why is the reason that the USD against CAD is not moving? Because CAD is very strong due to the surge of oil price. The oil price has been going up on a tear now, going to 84, 85, 83, 84, 85 area. So you know the CAD is largely influenced by oil. It's an oil currency. So this one actually pushed the price back down in the favor of CAD. So this one possible you put it to break even. Okay. So remember, AUDUSD. Okay, AUDUSD, we talk about sell trade here. There's a possible sell trade here. So we took the sell trade. So price already reached our target area 0.71739. Okay, it's just a few pip below. So this one possible. You want to take profit also, there's no problem. Okay, you might take profit. You can take profit already at this area. So because, as I said, price don't hit direct to our target. Okay, so this one already hit target. So we want to look at NZDUSD. So we got another profitable trade over here. So NZDUSD already hit our target. Okay, that day we said we are taking on this pin bar. So the NZDUSD already hit our target at 0.67990. So now price has went through this area. So there is a possible sell trade. Okay, if we have another continuation, okay, another pattern over here, the price might continue. Let's say it come back and get rejected at 0.67990, a rejection over here or pin bar over here, right? Let's say we got another pin bar over here, right? So there's a possible sell trade towards this area. So this area, let me mark this. Okay, 0.67990, a rebound at this area. Possible there is another sell trade. Now price has went through our resistance over here. Our resistance over here looks like there is a possible another continuation trade over here. Euro AUD. Look at the chart, look at the trend. Okay, we are in a downtrend, we are in a triangle, but we are still in the uptrend. Sorry, we are not in downtrend, we are in an uptrend. So this one possible, we are looking for buy trade, but the price already went quite far away from the support area. So this one probably want to wait for the price to come back again to retest 1.5733, rebound at this area. Maybe you want to execute a buy trade. Okay, this one we don't have a trade set up now. We have to wait. EURCAD. Okay, EURCAD has been the CAD has been very strong. You can see, right, the Euro USD. Euro is the USD CAD, right? Most of the pair, right, against USD, okay, lost ground against USD. You see, right? Euro USD, the Euro, the lost ground against USD, Pound USD. Okay, Pound also lost ground against USD, but the USD CAD did not. Okay, a strengthening USD, but the CAD did not lose ground to the USD. So CAD is extremely strong this week. So this one probably will look for any pair against the CAD, right? You want to look for the buying the CAD against the other pair, right? So we talk about EURCAD. Possibly we want to sell the EURCAD, okay, because CAD is the second currency here. It should be it looks like CAD is the stronger currency at the moment, okay, but we do have a pin bar here. So there is a possibility that we want to sell this, any opportunity, right? Any rebound, rejection over here. Let's say we get a pin bar over here at 1.43001. We get a pin bar over here. Okay, so there's a possible sell trade around here. So we are looking to sell any opportunity for for the CAD pair. Okay, we will go for the buying the CAD. EURCHF. EURCHF, we got consolidation over here. Price broke through 1.04491. So now price is consolidating in a sideways action. So if the price continue to break through this area over here, there is a possible sell trade also. Okay, this area. So there's a possible sell trade for this Euro Swiss franc. Okay, 1.04158. Okay, a break of this area, there is a possible sell trade towards 1.03735. Okay, so there's a possible sell trade over here. Euro JPY. JPY has been weakening quite a lot. So Euro JPY, there is a possible buy trade, but the price, let me see. We got tail bar over here. Now the price in the middle. There's no setup yet. We have to wait for a setup. We are looking to buy this, okay, but there's no trade setup available now. We don't see a very strong price action, but there is a possible buy opportunity from 130 to 130.439 towards 131.612. So there's a possible buy trade over here. Euro pound. Okay, pound is a stronger pair, right? You can see the pound against USD, right? Went on a tear here. So pound is still considered very strong. So euro pound, I would go for the pound if we compare to euro pound, right? So I might want to compare. Might want to go for the pound. So let's see. But prices are quite sideways over here. This one probably I will. Let me see. Euro pound, better stay on the sideline because price is a bit too chaotic over here. Okay, there's no proper price action, proper bullish or bearish price action over here. So this one probably I will stay on the sideline first. Pound JPY. Okay, pound JPY, we see a weakening JPY, right? So there is a possible, we got pin bar over here. So pound JPY, there's a possible buy trade over here. Okay, on this pin bar. Okay, there's a possible buy trade on this tail bar. This is not a pin bar, this is a tail bar. After the price break above the tail bar, okay, there's a possible buy trade towards 158.039. Okay, we want to wait for the breakthrough in order for a buy trade towards this area. Pound Swiss franc. Pound Swiss franc. Pound supposed to be the stronger currency here. Look at the strength of the pound, right? So therefore this one, right, we are looking for buy opportunity over this area, around this area 1.24653. Okay, we are looking for buy opportunity over here. So the weekly bias is still bearish, but this one looks like it's bullish now. I don't think this one is correct anymore. So this one, let me see. We still have a pin bar over here. So this one is still a bit. How do we put it? A bit odd. Okay, a bit odd to trade because we got a lot of tail on the top, so a lot of selling pressure on this pound also here. So let's see what happened here. Okay, wait for a bullish price action over here, 1.24653. A bullish price action, we want to buy Okay, if we get a bearish price action over here, possible we want to sell this. But I'm still looking to buy pound over CHF. I think pound is a stronger, okay, it's a stronger currency up to now. So this one I will probably look for a buy trade over here. AUDJPY, we got a price making higher high. So this one initially, yeah, this is on the uptrend now. Okay, it's on the uptrend, it's on the correction. This is the uptrend, it's on the correction over here. So there's a possible buy opportunity if the price breaks through above this area. 83.193. If the price breaks above 83.193, there is a possible buying opportunity towards 84.067. Okay, so this one looks for a buy opportunity over here. As long as the price is above 82.112, is our above our buyer's line, we are looking to buy. Okay, or there is a possibility that the price might come back to this area, create a pin bar or create a reversal pattern over here, 82.112, there's a buy opportunity, or the price breaks through 83.193, okay, for a buy opportunity. So there is a possible setup over here. You have to wait and see. USD okay, so CAD is a strong, okay, it's a stronger currency as you can see here. Okay, CAD is on a tear, came back, retest this support resistance area, now coming back to 0.82824 support area. So this one, if you can catch it, okay, this will be your target over here. If you can't catch it, wait for another sell opportunity. Okay, possible the price come back to 0.91311 sell opportunity, or the price goes through 0.89824 for sell opportunity. But if you sell here, you have to be very careful, because we got a channel over here. We have a channel over here, so this one will hit the channel. Okay, we sell into channel. This one we have to be very careful. AUD NZD is just sideways, pure sideways over here. I'm not keen to trade this. Okay, we can't see any direction happening. So look at XAU-USD gold. XAU-USD has been climbing, slowly coming up, but I'm not keen to trade this, because as I said, within this range bound area, I'm not keen to trade. I want it to break out above 1830 only. I'm keen to continue to buy. Okay, so price has been largely sideways around this area, so I'm not keen. SPI, look at the index. SPI has been we made double bottom here. Now the price is at the neckline here, so there's nothing much to trade, because there is the price could not clear the neckline, could not clear above the neckline. It went above the neckline, came back down. This is a false break. So it looks like the price most likely is going down, but you see right here, you see this area. Tail at the bottom, tail at the top, tail at the top, tail at the bottom, tail at the... So a lot of inconsistency, okay, here. So the bulls and the bears are largely even. So I don't want to trade when there's no direction here, okay. The bears won this day on the 13th. The bears, the bulls won on the 14th. The bulls won on the 14th. Now the bears winning at the 15th, the 18th, sorry. So it's just nothing that I would trade. Similar, you know, the DAX also consolidating over here. Okay, there's no direction. Tail bar at the tail at the bottom, tail at the top. So tail at the bottom, right? So this is largely going into a triangle. You can see, right? If you can draw a triangle pattern over here, right? There's forming this triangle pattern. So I want to wait for a clear breakout. Then only I will probably trade this. Index, I'm not keen to trade now because index, we are changing direction now. Most likely all the US index hit the all-time high now, slowly dropping. For Nasdaq, okay, Nasdaq now already below my buyer's line. So this one I'm looking to sell. Okay, possible. I'm not selling over this area yet, because this area is just a lot of congestion here. I don't see a very good price action, right? You see, right? You see this pin bar, very strong uptrend, right? If you look at this pin bar, definitely you're going to buy, okay? But you see the price actually came back down, right? Okay, after a small push up, it came back down. So this is just not a very good time to play the US index for me. Okay, the price action is uncertain because of the US the Fed policy, right? It's affecting the whole equity market in the US. So this one, okay, we are looking at US Dow Jones. Dow Jones also looking at sideways, a lot of tail at the bottom, but the price couldn't go up. You see a lot of tail at the bottom, right? A lot of buyers, but the price just doesn't go up. So this one also, I'm not keen to trade this. I'm not keen to trade this. SPX, S&P also, you see it broke the all-time high, came back down. So this is a false break. Normally after false break, the price will go down. Okay, we go down further, we have a big correction. So this one, even we have a pin bar here, you see the price goes nowhere and it comes back down, right? So, sorry, it comes back down here. Also, there is not a lot of very clear opportunity in the US equity market. So I'm not trading all these for now. I will only focus on the currency pair, okay, for this week. So, okay, don't forget, leave your remark, leave your comment below, leave your feedback below, and don't forget, support the channel, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, so see you again tomorrow on Forex with KS. So if you want to trade Forex, okay, you don't know where to start, okay, this would be a good channel for you to learn the fundamental, learn the basic, and look at the how we deal with the daily price movement. Okay, so see you tomorrow. Bye bye.